Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and today we're unboxing two watches from BOLDR Supply Company. They were kind enough to send some watches over for us to check out. Unfortunately, I'm only going to be able to show you one of these two watches today, and the other one will be a full review sometime next month. So this already had a hole in it. Let's just tear it open here. So just let me open this up off camera here so I don't show you the wrong one. One of these can't quite share yet. So yeah, both of these are wrapped up. Let me pause the video and I'll be right back. All right, sorry about that. A little bit of a unusual unboxing, but wanted to share this one as soon as I could. Yeah, so BOLDR was kind enough to send this out for us to check out. It feels very light, so perhaps it's titanium. I will look it up on their website and put some of the information in the description below. And also, we'll cover all that in the full review. So let's peel that sticker off and zoom in here. So just use a standard spring bar. Some of these watches with this style case with the NATO strap would just have a fixed bar, but these are standard spring bars with lug holes on the side here. It's a cool watch. I've not handled one of these yet. And actually the last BOLDR I had was a, not that big, but it was a gigantic bronze. Maybe I'll leave a link to that below as well. But that watch was like complete opposite of this one. This one's nice and small. The other one was gigantic. That was the BOLDR Odyssey. So anyway, this automatic movement here. I don't know what that subdial is about. Oh, 24-hour indicator. So that's interesting. So I'm not sure what movement they're using then to have that complication. Sorry guys, there's plastic on here. I should have checked for that first. There we go. Oh, I thought I had an interesting dial texture there well, it does have an interesting dial texture. So that plastic wasn't really hiding too much. Looks like sandpaper. Yeah, that's really cool. I quite like this watch. So let's zoom back out. It is a screw down crown. It feels like it's hand winding. This must be the date. Yep. And then we have hacking movement. So maybe it's a Miyota with the way that second hand went backwards there. So yeah, I'll look up that information as well and put it in the description. Let's see what the case back tells us. Japanese movement. 20 ATM, so 200 meter water resistance. Sapphire crystal. Titanium, so it is a titanium case, as I suspected. BOLDR Venture Automatic. So very cool. Let's get this on wrist, and then we'll close out the video. If you guys have not already subscribed, I would appreciate if you go ahead and subscribe. Hit the bell, like the video, leave a comment below. Let me know what you think of this watch. It's like a nice navy strap here with matching titanium hardware. Yeah, I'll have to weigh this for the full review, but it's really light. This needle strap is really long too. See how it looks on my 6.5-inch wrist. It might be a tad bit too tight, maybe not. If I had to guess, I'd say this is probably a 38 millimeter watch. It has real nice short lug-to-lug dimension as well. So let me know in the comment section what you think of this. Like a nice field watch, especially with the 200-meter water resistance and the sapphire crystal titanium case. Can't beat that. Here we are zoomed out. All right, I think that will conclude the video today. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.